Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Coinswitch to Trust Wallet. First, install and open Trust Wallet on your device. Tap Receive, choose USDT and copy your wallet address. Make sure to select the correct network such as ERC20, TRC20 or PEP20 to match the network you will use in Coinswitch. Next, open the Coinswitch app or website and make sure you have enough USDT in your account for the transfer. Then, select Send or Withdraw USDT in Coinswitch. Paste your Trust Wallet USDT address into the recipient field and enter the exact amount you want to transfer. It is important to make sure the network selected in Coinswitch matches the network you choose in Trust Wallet. Using the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. Double-check the wallet address, network, and transfer amount carefully. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction in Coinswitch and wait for the blockchain to process it, which usually take a few minutes. Finally, open Trust Wallet and check your USDT balance. Refresh the app if needed to ensure the funds have arrived. If the USDT does not appear, contact Trust Wallet support for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.